Welcome to Code Fix, where you learn and enhance your programming experience. In this video we have shared how index error, list index out of range. An index error, list index out of range error occurs when you try to access an index in a list that doesn't exist. This error can occur in Python when you try to access an element of a list using an index that is either negative or greater than or equal to the length of the list. Here's an example code that will raise an index error. When you run this code, this kind of error you find. In this code, we are trying to access the sixth element of the my_list list by using the index 5. However, since the list only has 5 elements, the index 5 is out of range, and an index error will be raised. To fix this error, you can make sure that the index you are using to access the list is within the bounds of the list. For example, to access the last element of the list, you can use the index -1. This will print 5, which is the last element of the list. Now let me run this code. Hopefully this video helps you to sort out the issue you were facing. If you still face problem or need further help, just write in comments. I will reply you as soon as possible. Before you go, if you like this video, you can subscribe for this channel for future videos which can help and assist you further.